Today, we're diving headfirst into the world of digital minimalism with the Light Phone 3. If you're tired of endless TikTok loops and app addiction, this one's for you. Okay, so they ditched e-ink and went AMOLED, 3.92 inches, baby. Before you freak out thinking it's just another OMG screen with flex, they slapped on matte glass to keep that zen, distraction-free vibe. Still only calls, texts, nav, alarms, calendar, and music. Straight up essentials. Nothing more. It's like swapping your chaos-ridden phone for a whisper of calm. 128 GB storage, 6 GB RAM, 5G, 4G LTE, Qualcomm SM4450 chipset, GPS, fingerprint ID, Bluetooth 5.0, and dual stereo speakers. Minimalist for real. And get this, they actually want you to fix it. Swap the battery, swap the screen, even the USB-C port. Like grandma's old radio, but modern. Longevity for the win. Launch price, $599. Yeah, that's double the old $299. And it'll climb to $7,999 later. If you vibe with the mission, jump in on day one. So, will you rock the Light Phone 3 as your daily groove or keep your main phone for memes and socials? Drop your thoughts below. Call me skeptical, but this might just be the digital detox we all need. If you dug this breakdown, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell. Until next time, this is Toby, reminding you, sometimes less really is more. Peace.